Hello, it's Cheryl. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox Polaroid Mint. This is a pocket-sized printer from Polaroid, a wireless instant pocket-sized printer. I got this off Amazon. I thought I would unbox it and share with you guys and see if the photo quality is good, and also compare to the Fujifilm printer. I know it's a little bit different. This one, when you print it out, it's like a actual Polaroid compared to Polaroid Mint. This one, when you print out the picture, it's just like a small picture instead of the actual Polaroid format. So yeah, I know it's a little bit different, but I just want to compare because they're both like pocket size. I have the Fuji Polaroid camera and just want to compare and see what's the best way to print out like pocket-sized pictures. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe, turn on my post notifications, and follow me on Instagram. And let's just get into the video. So first off, I want to say that I have a Fujifilm instax camera. This is the Polaroid camera, and I've had this since high school. This is how it looks like. I cannot turn it on right now because it's out of battery. Polaroid photos from this camera is the same thing as this Fuji instax printer. They use exactly the same film. Honestly, I would tell you the truth. Having a Polaroid camera, it's cute and all that, but this little printer is so much easier because you can connect to your phone and just print out the photos from your phone. Whereas the Polaroid camera, you don't know the lighting. If the lighting is not good, if the photo didn't turn out the way that you want it, you end up wasting so many films, and the film's not the cheapest. So between the two, I would totally recommend to just get a little printer instead of like... Alright, so when you first got the package, this is how it looks like. Over here has a very simple direction on how to charge your printer and how to put the films in it, on and off button, and also you have to download an app on your phone. So this is how it looks like. This is the power button, and this is where you can charge it, and this is where the picture comes out. Charger, and over here has the film. When you take it out, it's like this, and it's telling you to put this entire thing, including the blue sheet, into the printer. So you open it up like this with the blue sheet facing down like this, and then you can start printing. I have the Polaroid Mint app right here. And basically you can choose the photos from your album. What's really cool about this app is that it has like built-in filters. You can edit your photos in the app, and you can also change the brightness and saturation, temperature, and all that. Or you can write something on it. Pixie. You can play around with the app, and you can just basically edit everything in this app. I think that's super cool. And there are also a lot of stickers that you can add onto the photo. Play around and make your own design before you print out the photos. And whenever you're ready to print, you just hit print. But I'm not connected right now. You have to turn on your Bluetooth and connect to your Polaroid printer. It's right here, Polaroid Mint. It actually looks pretty nice on camera, but in person, the colors look a little bit off. Next, I'm going to print out this photo with my mom. This is actually one of my thumbnail photos. This is horrible. Our faces kind of turned black and white for some reason. It's so different. The food looks okay. Next, I'm going to print this one. This one too, the color is completely off. I mean, look at the difference. Almost black and white, but not quite. You don't see the saturation in it at all. It just doesn't look good. Overall, I think the quality is not very good, especially this one with my mom. Very strange. This one is the best. This one is okay. The quality isn't the best, and you can never really predict how it will turn out. Make sure the yellow dots line up. This printer connects to the Wi-Fi. I'll print this one. So this photo turned out super bright. I'm going to try to play around with the saturation. So this photo looks normal on my phone right now, but I'm going to set the brightness down to an extreme, this is really dark on my phone. It looks brighter on the camera, but let me turn down the brightness. In person, this is very dark. Turn up the saturation more. So let's try this out and see if this would turn out better than the first one. It worked. I can definitely see a difference. I can see the yellow and the red a lot more obvious. I think the saturation can be even higher. But yeah, I like how it turned out. I think this is pretty good. Look how dark this photo looks on my phone. Next, I'm going to print out this photo of Boo Boo. I'm going to edit it just like what I did. I'm gonna turn the brightness down and turn the saturation up. Turn the contrast up a little. This photo actually looks very dark on my phone and doesn't look ideal on my phone at all, but I believe this way it will be more colorful when it comes out of that printer. I'm gonna turn the brightness even down. Print. It's not the best, but it's not bad at all. I can tell that's Boo Boo. I turn down the brightness and contrast and turn up the saturation a little bit more. Do the same thing, turn down the brightness a little and turn up the saturation. These are the results. I think Pixies turn out the best for some reason. This is Kiki. Can't really see the pink blanket. This is Boo Boo. Pretty good. So personally, I don't think this is worth it. I just cannot stand the quality of the photos. There are probably ways to make it better. For example, turn up your saturation and things like that to make it more colorful, and probably waste a ton of films in order to find the perfect solution. And I think that's not worth it. I think it should print out how it looks like on your phone, and the photo from this thing is just not accurate compared to how it's shown on your phone. So yeah, personally, I wouldn't recommend this. If you guys have that HP pocket printer, let me know in the comments down below if you think that has higher quality. I think this is good for bullet journaling, for your diary, and you don't really need a high quality, and you can just get a sticker photo instantly. So if you don't think the film is too expensive for this type of quality, I think this will be perfect for writing your diary and just adding some photos and make it more fun and memorable. It depends on what you want to do, and if you can stand the quality and the price of the films, I think this would be great for bullet journaling. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this helps if you're deciding to get a pocket printer. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on my post notifications, and follow me on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Bye!